In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Microsoft Teams. Sharing your screen is one of the most useful things you can do in an online meeting. It lets everyone see exactly what you're seeing, whether that's a presentation, a document, or your entire desktop. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to do this in a clear, simple way so you can confidently share the right content every time. First, make sure you're already in a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can join a scheduled meeting or start a new one, but you need to actually be on the meeting screen before you can share. Once you're inside the meeting, look along the top or upper right area of the window. You'll see several controls, such as camera, microphone, and more options. Among these, there's a button labeled Share, usually represented by an icon that looks like a square with an arrow. Go ahead and click the Share button at the top right of your meeting screen. When you click this, Teams opens a sharing panel. This is where you choose exactly what you want others to see. It's a good idea to pause for a second here and think about what you want to share, especially if you have multiple apps or personal content open. In this panel, you'll see options like screen, window, or tab. These are different ways of sharing, and picking the right one can make your meeting run more smoothly. If you choose screen, you'll share your entire desktop. This means participants will see everything you open or move across your screen. This is helpful if you plan to switch between several apps or documents. Just remember to close anything private or unrelated before you start. If you choose Window, you only share a specific application, such as a single document or program. Even if you move other windows over it on your own computer, your audience will only see that